So, dito kami sa post office kasi yes. Papadala namin yung birthday cards for my family in the Philippines. Try namin na mag-inquire kung meron ba silang kaya ba nila i-expedite yung mga cards kasi next month na yung birthday nila. Kasi from our experience, nung nagpadala si Ken sa akin ng birthday card, inabot ng 2 months. Kaya, ayun. So, napadala na nga namin guys ang birthday cards through post office. So, priority, was it priority mail? O priority mail siya. And then, sabi nila, madi-deliver daw within 1 to 2 weeks. So, we'll see kung gano'n ka-accurate yung estimate. So, hopefully, makarating before their birthdays. And, ayun. So, we paid around $17 for that. So, okay na yun kasi nag-inquire kami sa UPS. Around $120 yung pag-mail nila. So, sobrang mahal naman nun. Kaya, ayun. Hopefully nga makarating siya within 2 weeks. Just in time for their birthdays. So, right now, we are on our way to Roly-Poly for lunch. So, magla-lunch muna kami bago pumunta sa USCIS for my biometrics. So, first time kong kumain doon, sabi ni Ken, masarap daw yung food nila. So, excited ako na ma-try kung masarap nga ba talaga. If it's really good. So, see you there. So, dito na kami, hanapin pa namin guys kung saan yung restaurant. Hirap kasing maghanap ng parking dito. So, ayun. Ganda dito guys. So, tabi-tabi yung mga stores. Wow, it's nice over here. So, dito na kami. Finally, malapit lang pala. Roly-Poly. We're going in. So, I'm having hickory chicken with bacon and cheese. Tapos may barbecue sauce sa loob. And then chips and chocolate chip cookie. Alright. Kain tayo. So, andito na kami sa Application Support Center ng USCIS. So, we're still inside the car kasi it's 12:38 and then yung appointment namin is at 1 p.m. Sinubukan namin, pumasok kami kanina, but then, nung tinanong kami kung anong oras yung appointment namin, sabi namin 1 p.m. So, sinabihan kami na bumalik kami by 1 p.m. talaga. So, akala namin, mag-a-accommodate sila ng magang dumating, pero sinusunod nila yung time, yung schedule. So, hintay-hintay lang kami dito. Hi! Hi! So, kakatapos lang ng aking biometrics appointment. So, it actually took only less than 15 minutes. So, it was a very smooth and fast process. So, my appointment was at 1 p.m. And then, nung pumasok kami, wala namang habang pila. So, may nauna lang na isa. Tapos, ako yung sumunod. And then, ang pinakita ko, ang dinala ko mga documents ay yung biometrics appointment notice, yung marriage certificate namin ni Ken, and then passport. ko sa system, and then kinuhanan ako ng picture, and then next is yung aking fingerprints. After nun, I signed electronically, and then ayun na, tapos na. And it was less than 15 minutes. Mabilis lang. So tip ko lang sa mga mag-undergo ng biometrics appointment, make sure lang na wala kayong mga sugat sa kamay or whatsoever, kasi tingin ko hindi nila tatanggapin pag may mga cuts sa kamay. So I think kailangan mag-reschedule if merong mga sugat sa fingerprints. And then be on time, and just make sure to bring all the necessary documents para walang aberya na mangyayari. So I think yun lang. And sa ngayon, we are on our way to Toyota, kasi supposed to be, yung plan namin is pumunta ng Asian grocery store after ng biometrics appointment. But then pagkatapos namin kumain ng lunch, pagpasok namin sa sasakyan, nung pinaandar na rin kami sa sasakyan, meron kaming narinig na kakaibang tunog. So feeling namin is yung aircon, may konting problema ata yung aircon. So papacheck namin sa service center ng sasakyan. Hopefully wala minor repairs lang. And ayun, so pag may time pa kami this afternoon, plano sana namin na pumunta ng Home Depot. May titignan lang na part for our closet, and then we'll see kung ano pang pwede naming mapuntahan later kung may time pa. Sana, I hope it wouldn't take that long sa service center ng sasakyan. So I'll just update you guys later. Hi, good morning. So guys, ang aga namin gumising today. It's only 7:17 AM. Ay pupuntahan lang kami again. And then after that, ay mag-breakfast kami sa labas. And hindi na ako nakapag-update yesterday kasi pagod na me. Napagod ako kahapon. So hindi na ako nag-update. So okay na naayos naman na yung sa sasakyan, na yung concern namin kahapon. So thankfully everything's okay, everything's good. So it's now araw ba? Friday na ngayon, and we are looking forward to the weekend and mag-relax. So ayun, try ko mamaya kung makapag-vlog ako kung saan. Hindi pa namin alam. Nag-crave kami ng either Waffle House or Jack's. So try namin. Tingnan natin kung saan kami mapadpad mamaya for breakfast. So update ko kayo. See ya! So Jack's ang nagwagi guys. So we're having hash brown. And sa akin ay biscuit with sausage and cheese. Kain tayo! Okay?
You